Sit or lay down in a comfortable position in a safe and quiet place. Let's take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Last breath in and out. Close your eyes and feel your eyelids relaxed and heavy. Relax your eyeballs and relax your eyelids further. Breathe into it and feel your eyes relax more and more and more with every breath. Relax the muscles around the eyes. Relax all the tiny muscles around your eye sockets. Relax your face, your temples, and the top of your head. Feel all the muscles from the top of your head relaxing down behind your ears and down, down, down to the back of your head and the base of your skull. Breathe into it and feel the muscles relax further and further. Relax the top of your neck, the back, the sides, and the front. Relax your tongue and your jaw, and feel the front and sides of your neck relaxing further and further with every breath. Relax your collarbone, your chest, and your upper back. Breathe into it. Relax it all further. Relax your shoulders, your upper arms, elbows, lower arms, your wrists, your hands, and all your fingers. Breathe into it. And feel your arms heavy. Relax your tummy, your diaphragm, your shoulder blades, the middle of your back, your lower back, your sides, and your lower tummy beneath your navel. Breathe and feel them all relax further. Relax your hips, your glutes, your hamstrings, and your quads, your inner and outer thighs. Relax your knees, the back of your knees, your shins and your calves, your ankles and your feet. Relax all 10 toes and in between. Breathe into it and feel them all relax. You now feel so completely relaxed. You feel as if you are floating. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and feel your entire body relax further and further and further. My eyes work perfectly, just as God intended them to. My eyes work perfectly, just as God intended them to. My eyes work perfectly. I was born seeing perfectly. I have always seen perfectly. I was born seeing perfectly. I have always seen perfectly. I was born seeing perfectly. I have always seen perfectly. Now you are standing on a beach, overlooking the vast blue ocean. At the dock directly in front of you. It feels so good to feel the breeze on your bare eyes. You see a ship, and you see the ship perfectly. And you think, of course I do. It's so easy to see perfectly. My eyes are the perfect shape. My pupils are the perfect shape. And my body, mind, and eyes work in perfect harmony together. My body, mind, and eyes work perfectly together. You start paying attention to the large sailing ship in front of you with its beautiful, perfectly white masts. You notice there are 5. You start noticing other details of the ship. The large bowsprit sticking out from the front of the ship, long and narrow and dark brown. The narrow front of the ship where a man with the long black hair and a large brown wide-brimmed straw hat and white button up top is looking in your direction. Although unused, this ship has gun ports along its side. You follow the brown wood of the side of the ship from the front to the sides where it widens all the way to the back. As the ship begins to sail, it starts to slowly turn its front toward the back. The man in the straw hat is making his way toward the back of the ship. And as it sails further and further, you can see him perfectly. You now see the back of the ship perfectly, on and on as it sails. The man is now standing at the back. He is beginning to look so tiny as the ship goes further and further. But you see the ship perfectly, and you see his hat perfectly. He sees you too, and he waves at you, his tiny hand so far away, yet you can see him perfectly. You see his hands perfectly. You see the lines of his hat perfectly. You see the ship perfectly, the large white masts, all crisp and crystal clear. Until you raise your thumb and you can cover the entire ship with it. From behind the ship, you see tiny V-shaped specks coming toward you. You know it must be a flock of birds. And as they come closer and closer, you see them get larger and larger. And you start to see the definition of their wings and their little bodies perfectly defined. They pass over your head, but not without you catching glimpses of their feathers and their wings. You feel so relaxed. Your eyes feel so relaxed. The breeze on your face through your hair is even more relaxing. It is now dusk, and the sky is a vibrant orange-red with soft pinks, purples, and indigo. You look down at your bare feet, and you notice the grainy sand all around you. These specks of sand and all its colors you see perfectly. You see perfectly clear. It is so perfect and so clear, and of course you do. You always see so perfectly. It is effortless. and easy. And it feels so freeing and it feels so good. You lay down in the sand, feeling so relaxed and supported. The back of your neck, your lower back, relax and melt into the sand. You feel your entire body from your head, neck, upper back, lower back, glutes, arms, and legs, hands and feet, fully supported, completely relaxed. It's as though Mother Earth is holding you and massaging you. Close your eyes and take 3 long, deep breaths. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. I have perfect vision. I see perfectly. I see clearly. I see perfectly clear. My eyes work perfectly. Of course they do. They always have. It is so easy to see perfectly. My body knows exactly what to do to see perfectly. It feels so freeing to see perfectly. It feels so good when I wake up, open my eyes, and I just see perfectly. I remember when I had to reach for my glasses, but even then, that was just a distortion. The truth is, I always really had perfect 20/20 vision. I have perfect vision. I see perfectly. I see clearly. I see perfectly clear. My eyes work perfectly. They always have, and it's so easy to see perfectly. I have perfect vision. I see perfectly. I see clearly. I see perfectly clear. My eyes work perfectly. They always have. It's so easy to see perfectly. My body knows exactly what to do to see perfectly. It feels so freeing. It feels so relaxed. You open your eyes and notice night all around you. It's pitch black. You notice the beautiful full moon directly above you. It feels so close. It's so large and bright. You notice all the craters. Some are a dark gray, some light. Many color variations of gray. And you notice the lines going straight out of a circle at the bottom, southernmost point of the moon. Those very distinct rays of straight lines. You notice all the flickering stars in the sky. It's pitch black, a perfect night for stargazing. And beside the moon, you notice a bright ball. You know it's not a star. This one must be a planet. It's a bright butterscotch reddish ball of light. It must be Mars. You admire it. It's perfectly round. And you close your eyes. Your eyelids feel heavy and so relaxed. Your eyes feel so relaxed. All the tiny muscles around your eyes feel so relaxed. Your face is so relaxed, your forehead, your temples. your jaw and your cheeks, your entire head and your neck, all so relaxed. Your eyes feel so good and relaxed. If you felt any stress there, it is most definitely gone now. Your eye sockets are relaxed. Your temples, your face, and your jaw. I have perfect vision. I have perfect vision. I have perfect vision. I love that I see so perfectly and so clearly. This is so relaxing, and I love how this feels. Even on days when my eyes feel tired, I just blink and they relax almost immediately, and I see perfectly again. I have perfect vision. I love that I have perfect vision. I love that I feel so free. It feels so freeing and relaxing. Take 3 long and deep breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in and breathe out. And feel your eyes relaxing more and more. Breathe in and out. Last breath in and out. If you're still awake, you can choose to either fall asleep. If you want to get up, start wiggling your hands and feet and moving your limbs. Turn slowly to your side and get up very, very slowly. Thank you for doing this meditation with me.